My Landlady and I.
Mama.
What is it?
Good morning.
Morning. King.
Ma, the gate is locked.
What's your name?
My name? Oyiko now.
Oyiko. Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Benue State. Is it now your accent?
Hope that place is not too far. Because I have sent for my people to come and throw yourself and your jargons out of my compound. So I would suggest you stay home. So you cross-check. I don't want you to come back to my compound now and tell me one rubbish smelling thing is missing. Stay and check for yourself.
Why will you throw my things out? Am I owing you?
See, Ogun. Anyways, let me not curse you, because even the way you are looking, people from your village have mounted a curse on you. You think me, I will forget 1 year, 6 months rent?
I'm owing you 1 year, 6 months rent. We had an agreement, we had a deal that you chased out your late husband's brothers, and which I did. We had an agreement, 1 year, 6 months, that's it, before I will even start thinking of paying you.
See, it is your enemies that will forget a whole 1 year, 6 months rent, not me.
Ma, I'm tired of all this your insult that you're insulting me. What is it now? What is it? I am somebody's child now.
You are somebody's child. Then make yourself one now. Be useful and pay the rent.
I don't want issue this morning, ma. I have an event. I'm running late already. Give me the key, let me go.
See the key.
You know, I will just go and jump the fence.
Jump! I will shout only.
Which kind of thing?
Ashiri.
What's all this one now? Eh? God.
Who is that? Oh.
How are you?
Fine.
Well,
Fine. Oh, sit down.
Thank you.
Let me get you something.
Don't bother. Don't bother. Come, sir. Hey, how are you, my dear? How are you? What happened?
Nothing. I was going to send him on an errand.
Take it easy. You almost gave me an heart attack.
I'm sorry.
I
I will go myself.
Really? I hope there's no problem.
Nothing.
Oh, yeah, Joko, go.
Let me get you the drink.
Okay. This woman safe. I don't even understand. Just keep on disturbing. Now I'm late for my event. Should I take here or I should take here?
Okay, what's up? You know me before. Why you dey look me?
Sorry, ma. It seems like I've seen your face somewhere, but I can't remember.
From where? You are not going anywhere. You, this man, you are not going anywhere. What kind of husband are you? You are not going anywhere. You give us money, we will eat. Your children are inside. Who they eat? Give us money. What kind of husband are you?
Don't I give you money?
You are not. You are not going anywhere.
Don't
You go and be wasting your money. Go and be wasting your money.
Just to manage me.
What kind of husband are you? What is it? But where you know me?
No, don't worry, ma. Don't worry, ma. Sorry. This is another wonderful opportunity for me. I'm going back. How's business?
You see, we are managing, Jerry.
Yeah. Whatever the children, I hope they are not around.
No.
Very good, and I hope they are not. I hope they are not lingering around there. I'm here for you today. Well.
They are not around.
Are you sure? Yeah, let's go inside. Let's go inside.
You like that? What is it?
Don't there!
And who do you think you are talking to like that?
I'm talking to both of you. Two both of you. Hello, young man. Who are you?
Don't worry. I will give you quick notice.
You have to give me quick notice. No problem. I will gladly go outside. Go that street and tell Mrs. Nike, oh yeah, that her husband is here.
Hey!
And that is not all. And I'll go to number 13. Akim Bolade Street. Tell your family that you are here sleeping with a dead man's wife. You see, don't worry. Give me quick notice now. Let me go. My brother. Stop beating me! Stop beating me! Look at them. Shina, you ever do Shina? Shina.
Hey, anything you want.
Anything. Bring that. Anything. Come on, happy. Give me. It's okay. Yeah, leave this compound now.
I'm going immediately.
Leave me!
I'm going immediately.
Go! Cut it. Landlady, Alpha. Landlady. I need words.
Okay.
Cold one. I have to calm myself down for this shot I've shouted today. Give me my tea! Mods. Cold one. He even forgot his phone here. 1,000 naira plus food. Let me see. I will hold it. Where is the Marty?
I'm bringing it now.
Landlady. Mrs. Kemi. This one is not even nickel. This man. How much? What the motto? The house rent. Don't worry, since you are thinking, the deal we had before, I'm not adding any other one. Just go in and bring my receipt for 1 year and 6 months.
Oyiko. Wait. What if I did not bring this receipt and then I send you packing? What will happen?
You know what will happen now? I will gladly go outside, tell everybody on TV, radio station that you are sleeping with someone else's husband.
Okay, what if me and you are dead?
God forbid. I'm not dying.
You will not die.
I'm not dying.
You will not die.
I'm not dying.
You are not going to die.
What?
You are not.
Yeah!